Hi there, I'm talking to a camera again. I made it to Des Moines International Airport, or excuse me, I made it from Des Moines International Airport to Denver International Airport, and I'm now looking for my gate. I have about an hour and a half layover time, so I figured I would take this opportunity to vlog just a little bit and let you know that the plane landed safely, obviously, and I will be continuing to update as we go. See you later.
Welcome aboard. I'm Jeff Smizek, President and CEO of United. Thanks for flying with us today. Continental and United are combining to form the world's leading airline. Initially, we'll operate the two airlines separately. Over the course of the year following our merger, we'll be working to form a single airline. We'll keep you informed as we progress with our integration. You'll see a number of changes in the months ahead, and I think you'll like them. Our goal is to work together to deliver clean, safe, and reliable air transportation, and a broad choice of destinations and flights. Thanks again for flying with us today. We appreciate your business. Enjoy your flight.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. Just landed here from Denver to Tulsa. I'm walking down this empty ramp. There was a bunch of people, but they decided to move on ahead. I had to do a pit stop. And now I'm getting ready to link up with my party. And just wanted to let you know that I made it again. One more stop, one more beer. It was a good trip though. And, alright, later.
Cool, what's the name of the groove? Remember, but it's alright, just dance. Oh, God.
Woody Cuddy. Kitty, kitty. Hi, Gigi. Hi, Gigi. Hello, Dio. Hi, Dio. Oh.
Cat pretty much runs everything around here. There used to be cats all over the place, but Dio ran them all off.
Okay, so we're heading into the big town of Grove right now with my cousin. Go to pick up some party supplies for the evening. And here I'll hopefully give you guys a little bit of tour of this little resort town. Water everywhere. Cabins out there on the edge of the beach, or edge of the shore. Yeah. What? What'd you say? Say it again.
Oh, we're gonna get so fucking tanked.
We're gonna get tanked, I guess. The annual yearly get together. We had to get some supplies, so we got some of this monster 4-pack highness. We got freaking swig of Southern Comfort here. This was inspired by someone I know, Di Serono and Cokes for tonight. And what else did we get? Oh, let's see here.
Finish it off with
151 people. We're gonna get dangerous, and it's flammable too. So it says here.
Got it. We set the charge. We're good.
Woohoo! You're the man now, dog.
Your team lost. We lost.